Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. It's Friday, June 19th, Mojo Day Trading Room video recap for the day. Let me show you the action right here in the stock market. Happened in the Mojo room. 5 people have not hit their goal today. One of them, Mr. Hoff, had computer issues today. So like I tell the traders, look, you got to readjust. I'm closing positive, so I'm considering the computer problems. Then yes, you hit your goal. See, if your goal is $500 and it's a bright sunny day out, beautiful, you can go outside, you can make $500 in the stock market, no problems, no issues, done, accomplished. However, all of a sudden it's rainy and it's stormy and you got computer issues, you go outside, listen, you're not going to make $500. You better readjust down your goal to $300 that day, because if it's rainy and your computer issues happen or you miss the first trade, hey, I did hit my goal. I'm not going to stretch it for 500 when I had computer issues and it's not sunny outside. That's just ridiculous. So when you readjust your goal and you have a good inclination of your business on what you can do on a day, that's what you can do. Just like when you play golf, beautiful and sunny, no wind, I could shoot better than when it's windy, blistery, and crazy out there. So there you go. Very nice, everybody who did that. 51% of the room, 25 people that took this poll out of 90 that are left in here from over 150 this morning, made between 1 to 5% on the equity in their account. So if you have $5,000, okay, they made between $250 to $500 for the day, and they're done. Okay, if you have $10,000, you just made $500 to $1,000. Because you got leveraged capital. If you got $50,000, you just did the same. All relative. Now you got 5 to 10%. You got a person that did that. And then you got one person that made over 20% on their account. And then 17 people that are still in the paper mode all made money. Nobody lost money, which is good. That's what we like on a Friday. All the trades were just spectacular today. Let me show you what the trades were and what these money goals, because I showed you what you can make money-wise. Pro Trader Allen made $2,721. Trader Jim made $2,100. He's new to the room. Trader Jim, 2,118. Jim, SGYP at 948. Gogler, 211. Clint, 171. Wow, guy, he said, wow, it's going higher at 1002. SGYP. Wow, trade play. SGYP. Minnie Hines. Wow, trade play. It's going up. 1042. He said it. Right here. Where is it? Where is that thing? Where is he? Where's that thing? Where is that? He said it at 1002. 1001. In this bar right here. So it's going higher. Now you want to buy it. And every time somebody does that, it goes higher. Let's watch and see if it does that. By the time I'm done with the video, it'll be over 952, the high of the day. We traded this like a champ. Look, this morning, we went long. Let me go to the 1 minute because this is a 5 minute. Let's go to the 1. So the 1 minute on SGYP, we went like long here, sold it there, rebought it back here, sold it here, rebought it back here, sold it here. Now we're rebuying it here, and we're going to sell it up here. It's like an easy game. Here's what we did with AMCN. AMCN at the open, we bought it here, we sold it here, 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 and here, and then we bought it back here or something like that and sold it again. Made great money. Then we bought Twitter. We bought Twitter here, sold it here, 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 rebought it back here, sold it here, did the same thing on every one of these stocks. UVXY, we did this. We bought it here. We sold it here, here, here. Did this little thing. We rebought it back and sold it again. That's what we've done with every stock today. Right now, we're just looking solid in the Mojo room. For Mojo, there's nothing better, guys. You guys are a big part of my team, big part of me. Here we got $540 Dino made today going into the weekend. Monty scored 240. Monty's getting himself a hat. I got sending him a hat and a shirt. Mojo. 860 for Ramon. Colin 742. Wally Boy 235. Clint and these guys, great job. Anybody else want to show me some money? No problem. Otherwise, let's get into the rest of the action here at the stock market. So we have AMCN 99, signal at 5. I don't want to touch it right now. Let's see what else we got. UV, PTBI, DGLY. I'm taking these things off the screen because we're not trading them today. So I'm just going to remove them. TGTX, we had a 6 score on yesterday. What a great score. Let me see, go back yesterday on this stock. Look at this move yesterday. We bought it here. Stock went to 1580 in this run. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. $200 on paper for Singh. 107 for Raddick. He said it when it was 952. 475 first full day for Trader Fav. Great job. It's a business, guys. We're done. Let me just go over the trade log. Show you what we've done here for the day. Log these suckies in there. So let's go in here to the day trading log. And nice job, DTK. Ah, he's back. He's in the room. Trader DTK, first day, baby. Look at you, 350. You're the man. You could do it. Told you. Make a wish, baby. It'll come true. Uh-oh, it switched to a different song. I can't play too much music. They'll block the video. So we're done with the music. Let's just record these songs and then we'll kiss it goodbye. 619. 619. Beautiful to be done in 30 minutes. So we got trade 199, 200. All right, let's rock this baby out. First trade of the day. Flat and enjoying the weekend at 9:55 a.m. That's how we roll in the Mojo room. Here's what we got. The rules of the room and my morning routine. The pink is very important. Beware new traders. You got to learn the system. Okay, that's how we buy. Here's the first trade of the day. We're going to go trend trade UVXY, 4 buys, buy the open, buy the dip, then 2 higher at right there. And UVXY got in at 36.30 and 36.35. UVXY, 36.30 and 36.35. So let's just leave it like that until we get to the others. And this is a trend trade play. And we've got AMCN all in at 498 for a Heinz. We're going to go all in trade play on AMCN. $498 done. Getting 96, boom, adding side, getting 92. So we filled 96, 93, 92. Then we're going to add size because it drops. So every single person in the entire stock market has a 30-cent stop or a 20-cent stop. And we just took your stock at 478 and 479. sold it at 486. Okay, so that was a lesson to be learned from everybody who lost on that stock. You're in the wrong room, because Mojo didn't lose. We bought it at 96, broke even at 86 because it dropped. So we got 35.30 on UV. Sold half. No, this is Twitter, 35.30. So Twitter, we own at 34.90 was our pre-market trade. Twitter, we did a pre-market trade on Twitter. I think we did one yesterday. Pre-market trade on SGYP. $34.98 on Twitter. Sold it at 35.30. Got half left. Buy AMCN at 482. We sold it at 86. This was a bump. This was a stop. $482, and I'll show you where the sells came. Buying here, 477, filled and squeezed 79. So we got it a penny lower, 481. We just sold half at 491. That's how you roll in the Mojo room. So even this trade above would have been okay, but that's how we roll, baby. 490. Twitter tested a sell at 35.36. 35.33. AMCN got 500 left. Twitter got a quarter left. UVXY got 2,000 average, 34.29. Sold 34.57. Sold 30. It's 60 right here. That was 36. It's 36. So UVXY was 36.29 average. Sold 36.57. Sold 36.63, 65, and 67. Got 200 left. SGYP all in 927. That's my all-in trade play. On SGYP at 927. You don't know where the sell is yet. Then you'd get 921. Lowers the cost to 924. Twitter flat at 35.40. So we got one more penny, 35.34. 924. Sold half, testing 931. Okay. 933 flat. So we got 931, made 7 cents on that. All right. Actually, we sold half at 24, then sold and sold. So we actually got less. We got 927. Only made 3 cents on that because we sold half there. It went to 21, sold half at 24, sold the rest 31.33 flat. UVXY done for the day, 36.52 to 62. Done. SGYP, we're going again 9.17 and 14, and we're selling it at 19. Okay, we sold it up to 26. And then that's it. Go have a great weekend. And that's how you do that. So that's the trading that we did for today. with these trades at 204, lost on 6 is 198, 97%. Average scalp is 12 cents. So that's the day trading. Here's the swing, how we're ending the month for the swing. These are the watch list positions from last week, from the month, starting on the 1st from the newsletters. They're just watch picks. These are the picks we actually have. UVXY, going to do the covered calls, the September the 40s now. We have Cascade Bank Corp. All the other ones are down. ADAT's up 16, Nuggets up 8, ACI's up 7, and then here's the stocks we've taken profit on for the month. 85 out of 85 for 100% accuracy. Just a fantastic job coming out of the rest of MGNA today as well for the swing. MNGA. It's 127. It's been up to 129. SGYP's still the same and fine. Everything else is just really loco and good and great today. We got some other guys making some comments. Trader Jim's got to go to work, go hit the golf course, have a great weekend. Could have doubled my day here on Twitter, where Twitter is at right now. Yeah, you could have in hindsight, but it's your first day to the room and we don't do that. That's a killing. People that make killings, they get killed in the stock market. Thank you. So listen, everybody, Mojo did pick the stock right here at 34.90. And there are some other rooms. Jim, there's this other room that you can go join. What they do is when they give out the pick, they give Twitter. Here's how the pick would have came. It would have went Twitter, buy like we did at 34.90, 95, 98, and the stop is 30 cents. If it doesn't hit the stop, you're all good, okay? And now you'd be like, dude, they say, look, come join my room now because, look, it's up $1.20, and look how much money I've made you on Twitter, which is unrealistic because if you actually have shares and you're a trader, it's been up and down and up and down and up and down. So if you look at the 1-minute chart, okay, and you were in Twitter and you wrote it here like we did in the beginning, all of a sudden it came down and took your profits away. What, you didn't sell? It went back up, gave you another chance, came back down, took your profits, went back up, came down, took your profits. How many times is it going to come back down and test this before you decide I'm going to start taking some profits and then it really goes? You know what I mean? So this, good luck with this. I don't want any of that. I'm already done for the day. I've already made thousands of dollars. So the other rooms that are still in that, they're trying to make what we've already done for the day. So today's your first day, Jim. Good luck with what you try to do and your old habits. The people that are taking Mojo University completely understand, and that's why I roll like this. My Twitter, I bought at 36. I sold it in the after hours at $40.25. So if I didn't take a profit there, what is it at now, Jim? I should have let it ride. What's it at right now? So I sold it on 6/11 at 40 and 39.50. What's it at now? My point to the T. It's $35. So my point is, guys like Jim that are new and rookie traders, what happens is, out of 10 trades, here's what happens. You do 10 trades. After you sell the 10, 8 of them go lower, 2 of them go higher, and you only remember the 2 that go higher. Tell me about the 8 that went lower. This is what most traders look for. It's a 20% sum game. It's a losing scenario. I've taken this 80%. I've increased it to 95% accuracy and above. So I'm looking good, man. So Pro Trader Mike signing off. Everybody's going to have a great weekend in the Mojo room. Let me show you what we do here to end our day. It is 10:20. And today we were done at 10 o'clock. So there you go. Mojo traders, there's 20 days per month to trade. 18 out of the 20 we're usually done by 11. Today we're done at 10. We hit our goals and therefore trading is done and the room's going to close. Mojo conducts trading as a business And we don't trade to have fun. Mojo waits for the trades to present themselves. And when you push the trading, you get burned more often than you win. When you hit your goals and you continue to trade, 90% of the time you will give back all your winnings and probably be negative for the day. Mojo likes high probability trades, making aggressive scores. Scoring a few times a day is enough for your business to grow by leaps and bounds as the days add up. It's a marathon and not a sprint. So I will see you Monday. Done for the day. Have a great weekend. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Keep it profitable. Peace.